you like this? Look, I made it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, that's cool, man.
I made it with a
571.
That's hella cool.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I really should just have a bunch more jewelry put together. Next weekend's the freaking Harley Strictly Bluegrass.
Oh,
Three-day free concert.
yeah?
3-day free
Where's
concert. Sharon Meadow, man. 3 days, and there's just some good shit happening. Good music. And I'm got a hotel freaking luggage part.
Cool, get up.
You know, the kind with you can hang all the bags on, and you put all the fucking suitcases on the bottom. I'm gonna stock that fucker up with water and beer. Go out there and freaking make a killing, man. I figure if I lay out $50 on liquids, I can make 300.
Yeah, easy.
Hey, boo.
He's gonna lift up his shirt.
Da-da-da-da. Nah, I don't want to see your tummy. Okay, maybe your tummy. How's your belly button? How's your belly button doing, dude?
Where's your belly button? Where's your tummy?
There's the tummy! Yay! Bujo's tummy!
Where's your nose? Where's your
Where's your
nose?
nose, man?
Yay!
That's the nose.
Where's
How about-
your eyes? Your eyes. Yay!
Good boy.
Where's your ears? Yay!
Woohoo!
Your head.
All the better to hear you with.
Yeah, all over, huh?
I'm excited.
Where's the truck?
Can you come outside?
Look on your tummy.
Here.
There's a truck on your tummy, a fire truck.
Hello?
Oh, careful.
You're gonna get excited again, watch.
Come on, come on.
He'll start running around. Watch.
Call John.
I don't know, call drop.
Cause this place eats phone this place eats phone service, Jen. It eats phone service. You can't get a fucking call. And half places here, you start a call and it loses it.
Have you heard from Karen in a while?
She's supposed to be moving like next week, I think, to Kentucky.
Next
It's a good thing though. It's a good thing though, man. She needs to get Lacey out of here, and she'll have a support network there, and she hopefully will not be doing the things she was doing. Cause,
Seemed like she was doing pretty good.
yeah, but she ended up catching 2 gas cases.
Tony? What's his name? Tony.
Yeah, she got 2 gas cases. She ended up being in Ashbury House 2 terms. You know, 2 terms at Ashbury House.
My gun's back.
You got her tape back there.
Yeah, she got it. But if she stays here, she won't, you know. She gotta go back there. We still have her dad
Why
and
did she
stuff.
catch the cases anyway?
One time, the first time, because Lacey got a hold of one of her pills, one of her psych pills.
Oh yeah, she told me about that.
Okay, and the second time, because she came back to Ashbury House after she self-committed. Okay, committed